that groove, huh? Tony Middleton, Willows.
How about a hand for Ronnie? Big hand for Ronnie Iver. Giving us a gig this week to hang out with him a little bit. Appreciable. Hey, Iris. All right. This is my founder. How are you doing? You all right? You feeling good? Good. Thank you very much, and I thank you so much. We had the pleasure of doing this tune of the year of 1956. We really appreciate that you paid attention to. At that time, of course, we paid attention to a lot of things. It was wonderful times. But who needs that, right? We don't want to remember those kind of things, only the respect of what happened for us. We don't want to hang on to bad times. We want all the good times to come back. And that's what we're going to try to do. That has nothing to do with the White House, Iris, you know that. All right. Thank you. Church bells may ring, church bells may ring, church bells may ring, and surely, darling, the angels will sing. I'll tell you, darling, you're the queen of my throne. You should have known, sweetheart, sweetheart. No, sweetheart. Well, the church bells may ring, and surely, darling, the angels will sing. I'll tell you, darling, you're the queen of my throne. You should have known, sweetheart. No, sweetheart. Oh, ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, ding-dong. I love you, darling, and I want you for my own. I'll give you anything that I own. You should have known, sweetheart. No, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, my friends. I hope that we will meet again. Ling, 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 ling. Well, ling, 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 ding, dong. I love you, darling, and I want you for my own. I'll give you anything that I own. You should have known, sweetheart. No, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, my friends. I hope that we will meet again. Ling, 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 ling. Well, ling, 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 ding, dong. I love you, darling, and I want you for my own. I'll give you anything that I own. You should have known. Church bells may ring, church bells may ring, church bells may ring, church bells may ring. Ling-a-ling-a-ling, a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-ding, a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-ding-ding-ding-ding-dong, ding-dong-dong-dong-dong, dee-dum-dee-dum-dee-dum-dee-dum, shabba-dum-dee-dum-dee-dum-dee-dum-dee-dum, wee-dum-dee-dum-dee-dum, we need Neil Sedaka now. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.
How about the Willows, Mr. Tony Middleton? Willows! Great. Take a bow, gentlemen. Take a bow. Take another bow. Tony Middleton. Tony, you're going to be at Asbury Park with us?
Thank you.
August 22nd, Asbury Park? August 22nd, they'll be in Asbury Park.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. They're back to Willows. Okay.